Hi everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez and I welcome you to this video where I explain a notice of allowance and a statement of use. If you have received a notice of allowance from the United States Patent and Trademark Office, it means that you are one step closer to receiving a registered trademark certificate. And I'm sure that you are really looking forward to hold that certificate in your hands and becoming the owner of a registered trademark. So I'm going to explain what you need to do in this one last step in order to become the owner of a registered trademark. Let me explain what a notice of allowance is. If you received it, it's because you have actually filed your application as an intent to use application, meaning you do not have actual use in commerce yet, but you did intend on using your mark within the next couple of months. So you filed as an intent to use, and now you are at the point where you received a notice of allowance. A notice of allowance from the USPTO means, guess what? There are no other marks that pose a risk to your registration. There is no other mark that poses a likelihood of confusion with your mark. And all of this is great news because all that's left is one simple step. That one simple step involves filing a statement of use, in which the USPTO is looking for a proper specimen of use in commerce, and they are looking for two different dates. One is the date of use in commerce, and the other one is the date of use anywhere. So it is very important that you are able to pinpoint the exact dates in which you started using your trademark in commerce and also anywhere. Sometimes these two dates might be the same and sometimes they might be different. But what is very, very important is that you are able to provide the proper specimen, meaning you are able to show the USPTO how you are using your mark in commerce. Now, the specimen is going to depend on whether you are offering goods for sale or offering services. So the specimen is going to be dependent on those two items. Now, if all of this is making sense to you, please drop your comment down below saying, I understand. That's all you have to type is I understand down below so that I can create more videos like this that will help you understand the trademark process. If any of these do not comply with the rules, then you run the risk of being rejected or receiving another letter from the trademark examiner that says, you know what, this is not acceptable. You need to go ahead and resubmit certain items. And we don't want that to happen because you're already so close to receiving a registered trademark that we want to make sure that you get everything right the first time. So if you are struggling with what any of this means, feel free to reach out to our law firm and we'd be more than happy to help you. This is something that we do very frequently, and so we'd be happy to do this once more. Again, I'm going to reiterate that a notice of allowance means that your trademark is being allowed registration if you are able to provide a proper specimen and two different dates which correspond with the use of your trademark in commerce. So if you are not actually using your trademark in commerce yet, then you are not going to be able to provide a specimen or those dates. So in order to be able to provide those things, it means that you are actually using your mark in commerce. It means that you've made sales with regard to your goods. And it also means that your services have been offered for sale. And so we want to make sure that you properly submit the specimen and properly submit those dates of first use and that they are accurate and they are an accurate reflection of what's actually going on with your business. So feel free to give us a call or send us a message, leave a message down below. And if all of this makes sense to you, then great. I wish you the best of luck. But if for whatever reason you're still a little bit confused, I invite you to leave your comment down below or you can always send us an email. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out my video, How Long Does It Take to Register My Trademark? Thank you.